Welcome to all of you. I am Prakash Reddy. Today you learn food packaging labeling guideline part 3. In this video discussion you learn nutritional fact, also called as a nutritional information panel. Friends, you know about nutritional fact labeling, how to read this label, what are the advantages of that label, what are the mandatory requirements on that label, and what are the nutritional information panel parameters. These are the all points are discussed in this video discussion. Very interesting and the simple topic, useful for how to read this label and use to our daily life for the specific nutritional information to our diet. The main two terms involving in nutritional labeling system. The first one is the nutritional fact, also called as the information panel. This is the example. And second one is the nutritional information in a tabular form. Which type of the nutritional label you can apply for a specific food product? It's depending on for the if product is specifically claimed with respect to the nutritional claim, or maybe product prepared with the addition of fortification enrichment of the specific nutrient, then it is mandatory to declare the nutritional information in nutritional fact specific standard format. In this nutritional fact format, providing the all nutritional properties of that food to the consumer. In nutritional labeling consists of the two main component, that is the first one is the nutrient declaration, that is the listing of the all nutrient content of that food. In this all nutrient, whatever the nutrients, along with the supplementary nutrient information, whatever the specific health claim or the fortified enrichment, these are the all nutrients are specifically declared in this nutritional fact label. And the second one is the nutritional information, that is the mandatory to all foods, in which nutritional information providing the nutritional information with respect to the per 100 gram or the 100 ml of the specific food product in tabular form. This is the typical example of nutritional information per 100 gram of that product. What are the basic terms involving in the nutritional fact label and how to read the nutritional label? This is the typical example of the nutritional fact labeling, and the main terms involving first, that is the serving size. Serving size, that means the amount or the quantity of that specific food can be eaten of that consumer at a one times. For example, 2/3 cup, that is the approximately quantity 55 gram, and the total serving per container, this also must be required to declare in this way, that is the 8 serving per container. Then second term, nutritional information panel, in which this is the nutritional information panel, this is the standard panel in which the all nutrients are in specific standard order must be required to declare. After the specific nutrient, immediately write the specific their amount per serving and their specific percentage of daily value in percentage. This is the standard format. In this way must require to declare the all nutritive value depending on the specific type of the product, in which the mandatory and voluntary components must require to declare standard order panel. Third one is the nutritional panel footnote. In this footnote, providing the whatever the percentage of daily values, these are the percentage of the daily values are declared on the base of the specific calories of the diet per day. For example, 2000 calories per day diet as per the recommended dietary allowances, or maybe 2500 calories per day diet. On this diet basis, these are the all percentage of the daily values you will get if the product is eat at a specific the serving size. How to read this nutritional fact label? After the eating this product, that means if you eat this product at a once time, and after that you will get the specific percentage of the daily value. That means whatever the nutrients which are required to you at a once day, on that 10% of that fat you will get after eating this product. Remaining 90% you require to eat to the other foods. Similarly, in this percentage of the daily value, you can calculate whatever the specific your requirement as per the standard recommended dietary allowances. These are the all also provided in this at the bottom section. As per this footnote, you can calculate whatever the specific need of the specific nutrient to your body. The next term is the nutritional information panel. This is the panel in which panel nutritional component, these are the nutritional component must required to declare, in which the mandatory requirements are, these are the underline, these are the mandatory must required to declare, and the remaining all are specifically depending on the health claims or the enrichment or the fortification depending on the specific industry. The main component which must require to declare, these are the underline, that is the total calories, calories from fat, total fat, saturated fat, cholesterol, sodium, total carbohydrate, dietary fiber, sugar, protein, vitamin A, vitamin C, iron. These are the minimum mandatory requirement on the nutritional information panel. The nutritional information panel is the standard format in which after writing the specific nutrient component, immediately must require to write the specific gram or milligram of that nutritive you will get after the serving this specific size, and the percentage of the daily values are right in apart from that nutrient in the right hand side in this way. And finally at the bottom must require to declare the footnote, that is the percentage of the daily value on a specific diet calories plan. Some food products are exempted from the nutritional labeling, in which the prepared or ready to eat food product which they are immediately consume of that product, bulk non-retailing packed foods, plain coffee, tea, and some spices and some other foods that containing no significant amount of the nutrients. If the food is fortified or enriched or specifically with health claim, must require to declare the nutritional fact label. For the children under 2 or the infant formulation may not require the specific information, that is the saturated fat, monosaturated fat, and cholesterol and the calories. For children under 2 year and infant formulation may not require specific information, that is the saturated fat, monounsaturated fat, cholesterol and the calories. And the calorific value calculation, these are the basis on these are the specific standards are given. For carbohydrate 4 kilocalories, protein 4 kilocalories per gram, fat 9 kilocalorie per gram, alcohol 7 kilocalorie per gram, organic acid 3 kilocalorie per gram, dietary fiber 1.9 kilocalorie per gram. And the protein calculation based on the protein is equal to total gelled nitrogen into 6.25. These are the all standards calculations given in this regulation. These are the references used for this preparation of the PowerPoint presentation. In this video discussion, you learn what is the nutritional fact, how it's read, and how it is important to our diet plan. Thank you very much.